This tool is designed for conservation agriculture, for planting maize and fertilizer in precise quantities down two separate holes adjacent but not touching to each other. It consists of two spears and two tubes with funnels down which the seed and fertilizer fall and then fall out of the bottom of the tube into the ground. It is assisted in the ground by a foot pedal, which assists it going into the ground, where it is rocked backwards and forwards slowly as the pressure increases to form two V-shaped slots down which the seed and fertilizer fall. The ends of the tube have a flared section to prevent the seed from bouncing out of the slot. This deflects the seed down into the hole, because it has been found that some seeds, without it, seeds bounce out and do not go in the ground. The two spears are 50 millimeters apart. This is the distance needed to prevent the seed and fertilizer from coming into direct contact and causing seed burn and lack of emergence. One of the spears is slightly longer than the other in order that the fertilizer falls at a level below that of the seed, which is recommended by agronomists to give the best results. In order to get the precise amount of fertilizer, which has been found by limited trials only to be 1 gram per seed, a pinch of fertilizer is taken from between the thumb and the first finger, and that is the amount which is approximately, not exactly, 1 gram. And this means that for 1 hectare of 50,000 plants, it requires 1 bag of DAP or whatever fertilizer is being used. In operation, 1 seed is dropped down 1 funnel and a pinch of fertilizer down the other funnel. And the two go into the slots in the ground. And are not touching. Most important that they do not touch. The two holes made by the spears contain the seed and the fertilizer, and they are covered by the heel, which makes a depression in the soil, and that depression in the soil will harvest water which drops down to the seed, hence encouraging the germination of the seed. That is the machine now in use, and you can see the foot pedal goes down in the rocking motion about 10 centimeters. There we are. And then it's pushed away and the seed and fertilizer drops down the two holes. The foot then compacts the hole and also is an indicator for the position of the next hole. So those two ladies have picked up the technique quite quickly and are doing it the way it should be done. The right spacing, the right rocking motion to get it into the ground with minimum energy, and that particular spacing, 25 centimeters or thereabouts, will give 50,000 plants a hectare with a row width of about 0.75 of a meter. which is a upper limit of plant populations, but the correct limit you find from your local agricultural people, who will tell you for your particular area, because it does vary. It can be seen to be penetrating the surface mulch without any problems whatsoever and no blockage. And that is quite remarkable, because this soil is a black cotton soil or vertisol, which is extremely sticky. But by pushing the machine forward before you drop the seed, it prevents the soil from blocking the holes down which the seed and fertilizer fall. And many other machines will block under these conditions, but this one works quite well. It is slow but precise, and experiments, albeit limited, have found that top dressing midway through the crop is not necessary. But because in fact it's difficult to imagine where the top dressing would, how the top dressing would get through the surface mulch to reach the plant. The tool can be made by local metalworking artisans, or juakalis as they are called in East Africa, from locally made raw materials. And the yellow spears are actually parts of broken car spring.